So those that stay in water, we have the red kingfisher, malachite. Those stay here where I live. So those are more of fish. They feed more of fish, and then small worms. So this one feed on insects.
So you can never find these on the other side, right?
It's on a rare case to find them. So they are much less good.
But they are almost the same.
Yeah. That's why they classify them as kingfishers because of the mouth.
You forgive me if I get wrong to understand. Are they the white birds that you usually see on the shores?
White and black are also kingfishers.
Oh, but those ones are water.
So those are not same. Morphological, they look alike. The big.
I think then that makes sense now. Yeah.
But this one is more of wood.